Global climate change has a significant impact on agriculture as well as insect pests. The possible effects of changing climate on insects are shift in species distribution range, timings of the insect biological cycles, increase in population growth rate, increase in number of generations, change in migratory behavior, emergence of new pests or biotypes, change in feeding habits, alteration in crop pest synchrony and natural enemy pest interaction, increase in overwintering, changes in interspecific interactions, and increased risk of invasion by migrant pests. Up to 40% of global crop production is annually lost to pests. Each year, plant diseases cost the global economy over $220 billion and invasive insects at least $70 billion. Climate change-induced pest dispersal threatens food security and risks smallholders, people relying on plant health, and those living in countries vulnerable. High temperature, along with high humidity, correlates positively with whitefly population buildup. Changes in the amount, intensity, and frequency of precipitation are very important indicators of climate change. Dry climates may provide suitable environmental conditions for the development and growth of herbivorous insects. Increase in the amount of carbon decreases plant defenses. Global levels of carbon dioxide are already high and they are expected to continue rising. While elevations in carbon dioxide does not directly impact insects, it can alter plants' nutritional quality and chemistry. This will indirectly affect insect herbivores. New invasive species are being introduced in many parts of the world due to climate change. Invasive pests are also one of the main drivers of biodiversity loss. Effective monitoring and management systems are needed to prevent invasive species from becoming an economic burden in new geographic regions. The efficacy of biological control systems is highly dependent on the natural enemy-prey interactions, which will likely be modified by climatic changes. World's first International Plant Health Conference was held in September 2022 to set a global agenda on biosecurity and address challenges in plant health. Jingyuan Chia, Director of the Plant Production and Protection Division at the Food and Agriculture Organization, said that climate change and human action have altered ecosystems and created new niches where plant pests and diseases can thrive. As climate change exacerbates the pest problem, there is a great need for future pest management strategies. For that, farmers and policymakers should focus on the use of green farming methods.